Hello and welcome to a review of the old school LEGO Racer set, Zero Hurricane and Red Blizzard. Took me like 5 tries to try to say that name. This is I believe a 2002 set. It has 2 cars and a stoplight, and there's just a lot of interesting things about it. The first one are the minifigures. Now, this is a bit of a carryover from the Xalax Racers, where the characters you have is really just a single piece with a normal minifigure head. The Xalax Racers weren't even that. Like, they were entirely just one mold. But this one, you have this very kind of cute little car driving mold that has the seat molded in, which is really cute. I kind of like this a lot. It has a angry face, which kind of, I don't know if that's from Western or Sam Sinister, like an adventurous guy. It reminds you of that. He's got this cool printed helmet with flames on it, very metal. Looking at the car itself, you've got it's basic. There's a single piece of dark red, which is interesting. The fender honestly takes up a lot of this. Without it, it's kind of nothing. So, I mean, that's a good inclusion then. I like how the dude really, he really fits in there. He really completes it. And I appreciate the prints, but I know it says 66, but it almost looks like it's like 2 zeros with like, or glasses or something. It's very, very odd. Once you don't think of it as 2 sixes and try to think of it in a different way, it looks very odd. Very simple design, very town-esque with how just not much there is to it. But there is one secret that we'll see. I mean, it's not a secret, it's on the box, but this one is the other car. It's noticeably more flat, lots of tiles upon tiles. Our minifigure here is the same idea as the other one, but a black base. I think the black base works a little better. And you've got the classic sunglasses. I love this mold. I love this print. This is an amazing print. I love getting it as much as possible. It's so classic LEGO. And yeah, you've got the same exact design, but in blue, which is kind of cool that you get, get 2. The opacity is actually pretty good on there. It does not bleed through as much as you think. But yeah, it's nice to get that design in multiple places. This one, unlike the other one, has a bit more of a mixture of colors. There's medium blue, and then there's just normal blue. I don't really like medium blue that much, but it looks good sometimes. This is one of the times I think it looks okay. I don't think the print design here is very good, though. It kind of detracts from the overall look. I think overall this is the weaker car, even though it does have this guy in it who's clearly better. You also have this very simple build for stop sign. I think it's funny that there's 2 yellow ones. Like, okay, I mean, sure, I'll take it. It has this ring piece, not ring. Okay, I'm going crazy. It has the dish piece right here, so it can stay up. Maybe our racers can knock it down, because the gimmick of this set is that the base of the cars are actually wind-up motors, or pullback motors as they're called. So what you do, let me zoom out. What you do is you pull them back and race them and see who gets first. It seems like there's a very, very large discrepancy that if we're just judging based on that. Let's try to do them both at the same time. Interesting. Am I crazy? Maybe it's something about the friction of the table. Let's do it this way. Yeah, maybe it is, because that way they're both exactly the same. Yeah, but putting a pullback motor in such a small car is really cool. These wheels are permanently attached. The tires can come off though, which is good because these are a little bit yucky. But yeah, it's just such an interesting piece, and like, I don't know, I just like when they put functionality in such a small form. And getting 2 racers is definitely nice because, of course, when you have pullbacks, you want to see who's the best, right? Who's the best? Definitely red. Blue didn't even make it to the finish line. What a chump. And with the stop sign, you could probably see who can knock it down first. Nobody. All right, you can knock it down. I'm sure you could knock it down. Come on, red dude. You're the star. Oh, there he goes. I don't know. I get such a simple pleasure from these pullback motors. Like, I love them so much. To me, it's what characterizes most of LEGO Racers. Just pullback motors, simple gimmicks like that, just fun play features and goofy looking cars. That's all I need. That's all I want. And this is exactly that. And that's all you need for a Lego set, you know? Just fun, simple play features and goofy stuff. Goofy stuff. This guy's he looks evil, but he's goofy. This guy doesn't look evil, but he's definitely goofy. That's all.